This is us, Clea, Sarah, and, well, myself, Ida. Today's the day we're setting off on our very first train journey. Sure, we expect it to be exciting, adventurous, new, just a lot of fun time spent with our best friends. But we also expect it to challenge us and bring us further. We expect to meet interesting people from whom we can learn, and we want to find ourselves and what we want to do. In Rotterdam, we got the opportunity to meet Ibra, a talented dancer. He invited us to this studio where he's practicing.
Je moet het gewoon doen. Je moet het gewoon doen. You just gotta do it. Hey, what up? My name is Ibra Silas Jackson. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm in Rotterdam right now. My passion now, I got hella. My passion is right now dancing and being creative as much as I can. For me, every time I put on a song and I start dancing, that's for me freedom and that's for me connecting with people, because it's not just entertaining, it's for me more talking, I'm communicating at the moment, so dancing is just a way of speaking to me. I like to dance during a sunset. I don't know why, it just gave me a vibe of like everything is now cooling down, so it's your time to rise up. I challenge you to put on a classic song, just search on the net classic music, and try to dance with different rhythms on a classic song. Because you have now 0 beats, 0 hits, you gotta create that for yourself.
Abuelito fuego, las gracias te damos, las gracias te damos. Abuelito fuego, las gracias te damos, las gracias te damos. Por abrir el corazón.
We tried our best to succeed in Ibra's challenge. The lesson we essentially learned from him is that sharing art with others is good for your soul. Continuing our search for unity, our journey led us to Berlin to the Prinzessinnengarten. There we met Jasmine, an undergraduate from Singapore.
Be careful of the people who you surround yourself. They can either hinder or make you grow as a person, so you absorb the personality traits of those around you. So surround yourself with good people. My name is Jasmine Cave-Jones, and I was born and raised in Singapore and study at the University of Edinburgh. So my passion, if I'd have to pinpoint something, would be sustainability. So learning how we can still feed back into the economy, but doing things in a different way that also help to benefit our environment as well. So currently I'm writing my dissertation on vertical farming in Singapore. So how you can utilize space vertically to increase your yield as well as minimize your impact on other surrounding vegetation, so you don't have to use as much land to make as many crops. It can feel quite overwhelming tackling the sustainability issue, and it feels like recycling or doing these small mundane tasks doesn't make an impact, but I really feel like inspiring belief in others, if you band together as a community, you really can make a difference. So do the best you can and just try spark that passion within others. So one activity or challenge to help other people experience sustainability is in your own communities, go and try seek out a sustainable operation. So right now we're in Prinzessinnengarten, which is a really sustainable garden which produce their own vegetables, but also gives the community a space where they can feel like they belong, have an area to hang out, which is free to everyone. So one challenge I would give to people watching this is try find that own space in your community, or if there is none, you can't find any, try set one up.
Jasmine inspired us to take a closer look at our environmental impact as our journey continued. We were able to explore the most extraordinary places, but we also saw it as our duty to protect them and leave no footprint behind. Reminiscing the feeling of solidarity among the people working at Prinzessinnengarten, we went on to look for our next encounter on one of the most community-driven and global spaces, the internet. There we met Maxime, an aspiring actor and model.
Si tu veux quelque chose que tu n'as jamais eu, fais quelque chose que tu n'as jamais fait. Mon nom est Maxime, j'ai 22 ans et je viens d'Italie. Question, parce que quand on m'a posé la question c'est quoi ta passion, tout le monde pourrait dire ok, piano ou guitare ou cinéma, mais moi ma passion plus globalement en fait c'est être heureux, being happy. Donc il n'y a pas un jour où je me dis pour être heureux je dois faire ça. Si je me lève et que je suis heureux à manger mes cornflakes, ok, c'est cool, je vais pas commencer à chercher le bonheur dans la musique ou dans le piano ou dans le cinéma. Je cherche le bonheur juste à être ok avec moi-même, sourire et surtout faire sourire les autres en fait. Quand je vois que les autres personnes me côtoient et sont heureux d'être avec moi, je suis fils unique, appeler ses parents, que ce soit au téléphone ou les voir, passer un moment avec ses parents et se remémorer tout ce qui fait qu'on tient à l'autre.
Maxime made us think about our families back home. Small acts like writing a postcard can bring joy to people who are important to you, and they'll know that you've been thinking about them. Listening to the people we met on our journey helped us understand the mindset of people around Europe a bit better. The challenges inspired us to try something new every day and let things go on their own accord. We learned not to worry about what will happen tomorrow and enjoying life and happiness at the present moment. This journey helped us to broaden our horizon and gave us memories we will never forget.